it's me Charlie here and welcome back to another video. In this video I am building a hash brown on the plate in build battle. There we go, there's our plate. I'm just gonna get this wood spruce and right click, oops. Spruce as that. So let's start making the hash brown. So it's kind of like a triangle. Like that. I'm gonna put a sign saying hash brown. Let me just get a sign. Oh. Just gonna get one of these. And I'm gonna put hash brown. Hash brown. So there we go. I think that's not a very good one. I'm gonna try and get some brown and try and do a sausage. There. And then I'll put sausage. H. I think that's how you spell it. So, hash brown and a sausage. I personally think it's not very good, but you never know. Never know. You just have to wait here. I'm gonna try and see what other people are doing. What's over here? Oh, okay. They're doing like a person. Okay. Ah. I'm not trying to leave the plot. I'm trying to see. So, and he. I don't think there's anyone in this one. I think I just saw a name tag. I don't know. Okay, let's start voting. Soup or poop? Why? What the? I think we tried a poop. That's another poop. Legend. Why are people voting legendary? What is this? What the? That's a super poop. There we go. Don't put voting epic. That's a poop. I haven't given one good one. Come on, where's the good ones at? Okay. No. It's a poop. It's a poop. It's a poop. So they've tried to do. Ooh, I like what they've tried to do. I'm gonna put that okay. See what they tried to do. I think they tried to do like a sandwich. Jason does things. It's a poop. I see what they've done, but okay, not bad one. Wait. Apple. You don't really have apples for breakfast, or I don't anyway. That's okay. I'm gonna put that good. Hey, legendary. Wait, where did I come? 11th! 11th! Oh well. And that'll do it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and goodbye. Well, what's happening here?